All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Tuesday, August 19th. Made $6,000 today trading the Nasdaq. Let's get into a trade recap for you guys, all right? So bias coming to market open is extremely bearish, right? If we look at the 4-hour time frame, let's see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame, right? Price taps into in respects. We have a bearish order block. We tap into this bearish order block. We respect it right here. Push lower. From there, we create a bearish 4-hour gap that we tapped into and respected yesterday. Tap into that bearish gap, push up into it, respect it. We push lower, right? We keep pushing lower off these, we keep pushing lower off these 4-hour gaps. What do you do from there? Create an hourly gap. We tap into this 1-hour bearish gap, push lower, tap into this new 1-hour bearish gap, push lower. What do we have resting below us? If we look at session liquidity, we have London lows and previous day low, right? We have an unfilled 15-minute gap right here. All we got to do now is wait for a reaction coming out of this 15-minute gap. If we look at price, you can see price swept these highs, closed below this bearish candle right here, giving us price swept this high, closed below this bearish candle right here, giving us a 1-minute bearish CISD to the downside. That is when I entered in short. Now, the second we took out London lows, I trailed my stop to London lows in profit, and I got filled all the way down here. Full TP did get hit. Overall, great trade, and I believe now we do have an SMT at these highs. Yep, SMT at the highs. We're inside a 5-minute. Not the worst short. I am somewhat bullish on the weekly. My bias might be completely incorrect. I am bullish on the weekly time frame. My bias might be completely incorrect, but I do want to be bullish overall. If we look at the daily, we're still trading in this order block. I did want price to sweep previous day low and then respect it and push higher, respecting this order block. My bias for the week was bullish. Maybe we come down and fill up this imbalance right here before pushing higher. Ideally, we do, though. I don't want to be bearish because the overall time frame is bullish. Same here. We have a weekly FEG and a monthly FEG under us. But we already had an open low in August. So it does not make sense for us to open low, sweep the high, and push lower. We get an open low, we'll get a higher close. That's the way the market moves. I don't see why we're pushing so low. But we trade what the market gives us, right? So the 4-hour was bearish, as you can see here. 4-hour gap, 4-hour gap. The hourly was bearish. Oh, sorry. The hourly was extremely bearish. We tapped into an hourly gap here, swept these highs, hourly gap here, swept these highs, push lower, hourly gap here, push lower. Damn, market just dumped. This was a pretty clean short too. Entry would have been here. Your target would probably be all the way down here. Something like that, yeah. Not a bad trade at all. This was the short I took, like I told you, based off a 1-minute CISD inside a 15-minute gap after rejecting a 1-hour, after rejecting a 4-hour. Target was London low and previous day low. Even though we had an SMT at previous day low, I didn't really care. I made 850 on 5 tops of accounts, and I made 1,500 on 1 alpha capital account. Just because I've been staying away from trading my zero accounts because they have very little drawdown, and I'm not taking, like, this trade was, yes, it was not an A+ setup just because this 5-minute was not inversed yet. So for the possibility of this trade reversed, I do have the drawdown on my top step and my alpha capital 150k, but my 50ks do not have the drawdown to take a lot of losses. So I only took this trade on my actual accounts that have good amount of drawdown. Made 850 on 5 of them and 1,501. Like I mentioned before, I do have a free Discord available for you guys to join. Mentorship is closed as of now. We are not taking any more applicants. No one else for the next 1 or 2 weeks at least. But I am working on something special for you guys. I'm working on a community that you guys can all join for cheap. Good fucking price, honestly. So I'm working on that for you guys because I noticed that a lot of people don't have the money to join a mentorship, and a lot of people still want to learn how to trade, and it is my job to teach you guys. So I'm making arguably the best trading community in the fucking industry. I know everyone says that, but I believe it. So if you guys have any questions about that, just comment it. I will leave the link to join it by Friday. I will be done with it. If you guys have any questions, you can feel free to join the free Discord. I hope you guys have a great fucking day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Trade safe and peace out.